Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video we will learn how to do a color correction in Filmora 12 easily and how to make your normal looking video more cinematic. As you can see, this is a normal footage without any color correction, and in Filmora we will make it cinematic. First, go to the color. A simple way is to use preset. You can create or save the preset. The other way is to use LUTs. But if you want to create a new preset or a new color correction, we will use color. So let's start. Temperature is basically used to create a foundation of your color grading. Sliding the slider left or right will make a base of your color grading or correction. Now go to the vibrance and increase it. Then increase the saturation to increase the color intensity. Then under light, exposure is basically used to make your footage dark or light. Increase it a bit, then decrease the brightness or increase it according to the requirement. Then increase the contrast to increase the color. Now if we talk about highlight, it is basically used to increase the color of brightest part of the footage. And on other hand, brightness is increase the overall lightness of the image. For example, it make dark color lighter and light color whiter. For this, we will decrease the highlight a bit. Then shadow is to make dark part lighter and darker. I personally prefer to reduce it to create depth. Then increase the white and decrease the black. Then go to the HSL and adjust the hue, saturation and luminance according to your footage requirement. For this footage, we will adjust purple, blue, cyan, green and yellow color. While adjusting the HSL, you can notice the color changing according to the correction of the particular color. Now if I adjust the orange color, there is no change in the footage because it is not having any orange color in it. Now move to the curves. Curves are perfect for adjusting the black level, white levels and mid-tone contrast in the matte. If you use it in a perfect way, it will give you an awesome result. For this footage, I am adjusting alpha curve like this, then red curve like this, green curve something like this towards purple, and blue curve. If you move curve more than the requirement, it will kill all the colors in your footage. I am keeping top point towards blue and low point towards yellow. Now let's add a sharpness to the footage. Just use this new sharpness slider to adjust the sharpness of the footage. It make it more clear. If still want to do a color correction, apply adjustment layer. Now you can control the intensity of the LUT. Select the LUT of your choice. Use the strength slider to control the intensity. Then use adjustment layer to adjust further color on your footage. Now let me show you before and after comparison. Looking awesome, right? That's it for today guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorial. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.